Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to your English class, and this video is for class 6 and I am your teacher Miss Maria. So students, today we are going to do grammar book work as you have done 2 lessons of grammar book with Ma'am Momina. So now today we are going to do lesson number 3, which is present time. So what you have to do, you have to take out your grammar book, your pencils, mention date on your page number is 12, ठीक है, and today is 19/6/2020 and day is Friday. So as you know that we have 3 types of tenses, ठीक है, 3 यानी कि हमारे पास 3 ज़माने होते हैं जिनमें हम बात करते हैं. नंबर 1 इज़ प्रेजेंट टाइम, देन पास्ट एंड देन फ्यूचर, ठीक है, present, past and future. Then we have some subdivisions of these tenses. There's like present simple present tense, present indefinite tense. Number 2 we have present continuous tense. Number 3 we have present perfect tense, ठीक है. Number 4 we have present perfect continuous tense. But in this lesson we are going to read about 3 type of tenses, ठीक है, of present tenses. And in the past we also have the same, like simple past tense or past indefinite tense and past continuous tense and past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense, and then same with the future tense, ठीक है. So in total we have 12 tenses. In present, simple present tense, then present continuous, then present perfect, then present perfect continuous. In past we have simple past and past continuous, and then past perfect and then past perfect continuous. And in future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. So these are total 10, but today we are going to read about these 3 tenses. Number 1 simple present tense, number 2 present continuous, number 3 present perfect tense. In English, there are many ways to talk about the present time. Number 1 is simple present tense. So, what is simple present tense? We use the simple present tense when we talk about routines, habits. We use simple present tense when we talk about routines, habits, facts, opinions, ideas, or feelings. ठीक है, we use simple present tense in these types of situations. ठीक है. Number 1 example of routines and habits. When we are going to talk about our routines and our daily habits, ठीक है, we use simple present tense. When we are going to talk about the facts which are the reality, we can't change them, then we use simple present tense. Then when we are going to give our opinion, we are going to tell about our idea, we are going to tell someone about our feeling, then we are going to use this simple present tense. So now we are going to look at these examples. Routines and habits. Mark takes the bus to work every day. It's his routine that he daily takes a bus for his work. Then I go swimming on Saturdays. It can be my habit, it can be my routine. Dad rests for a while after coming back from work. It's his habit or its routine, ठीक है. It can be its habit or it can be his routine. Facts. So these are the facts which we can't change. That water boils at 100 Celsius. I can't take it to the 0 Celsius, ठीक है. The earth has 2 poles, the north pole and the south pole. This is also the fact, this is a reality, I can't change it, ठीक है. Then the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. This is the fact, no one can change it, ठीक है, except God. So opinions. After facts we have opinions, ideas and feelings. That Bob likes apples, it's his feeling, ठीक है. Kate hates mathematics and science, it's his feeling, it's idea, कुछ भी हो सकता है ये, ठीक है. Then I think we should send flowers to Anna. It can be a opinion or it can be a idea, ठीक है. It's more than opinion, it can be idea, ठीक है, कि वो एना को फ्लावर सेंड करना चाहती. आई थिंक मेरा ख्याल है, ठीक है, यानी कि मेरा आइडिया है ये कि वी शुड सेंड फ्लावर्स टू Anna. So this was a simple present tense. In Urdu, if you want, if you have to translate a paragraph in English and you don't know that this is the present perfect or this is a past perfect, which tense it is, so we our scholar thinkers or writers have few आप कह सकते हैं कि उनके पास कुछ निशानियां हैं ये, ठीक है, कि उर्दू में अगर आपके पास किसी भी लाइन में सेंटेंस में एंड पे ता है, ती है, ते हैं आता है, तो वो कौन सा टेंस है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, ठीक है. द सेंटेंसेस इन उर्दू एंड्स विद ता है, ती है, ते हैं आर ऑल सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, यानी वो काम करता है, वो खेलता है, वो खाता है, वो पीता है, ठीक है. इस तरह से दीज आर द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. Now we are going to do present continuous tense. In Urdu, the sentences which end with रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, they are the present continuous tense, which is showing that the person is doing this work. ठीक है. When we talk about things that are happening right now as we are speaking, we use the present continuous tense. When we use this type of sentence, when we are going to talk about the present situation, ठीक है, कि अभी जो काम हो रहा है, I am going to talk about that work, that I am teaching you, so I am doing this work right now, so I will say that I am teaching to class 6, ठीक है, or I am teaching lesson number 3 to class 6, ठीक है. When I am using ing with the verb, what is the main verb in teaching? In teaching, main verb is teach. Then I will add ing with it. It will become teaching, right? I add ing with the main verb. It become teaching. When I add ing, it means that I am doing the work right now, ठीक है. So, we have three main things in a sentence, and those are subject plus verb plus object, ठीक है. And we also have these three things in the sentences. Look at this example. I am studying photography this year. This is the I is the subject, that I am doing the work. What I am doing? I am studying, ठीक है. Study is the main verb. ing is the addition in study, so it will become studying. क्या पढ़ रही हूँ मैं? किस चीज़ पे काम हो रहा है? That is photography and that is object. This is the subject. This is the help. I am is the helping verb, ठीक है. And studying is the main verb and photography is the object. And this is the additional part of the sentence. So students, I hope it is clear to you that we have subject, verb and object. So you can call it a formula of a sentence, ठीक है. In present continuous tense, when we have subject plus verb, helping verb, ठीक है. The helping verbs of present continuous tense is am, are. These are the helping verbs of the tenses of the continuous tense, but not of the नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है. नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स नहीं होते, उसमें हम इसमें मज़ीद कुछ ऐड करते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन मेन जो सेंटेंस हमारा होता है उसके इज़ एम आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट होता है, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है, इन तीनों में से कोई एक, फिर इसका मेन वर्ब होता है, मेन वर्ब के साथ हमारा ing ऐड होता है, और उसके बाद हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के साथ है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट होता है, मेन वर्ब होता है, उसके साथ एस या es का एडिशन होता है, या एस यूज़ होता है या es यूज़ होता है. जैसे वी यूज़ ओनली एस इन दिस, ठीक है, वी यूज़ ओनली एन एस इज इन दिस वर्ड, ठीक है. और उसके बाद क्या होता है? हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, ठीक है. I hope it is clear to you that what are the helping verbs of the sentences and all these things, ठीक है. then in negative sentences we use do not and does not as the helping verbs. ठीक है, like for example I go swimming on Saturdays, I does not go swimming on Saturdays. ठीक है, so look at the examples of the present continuous tense. I hope it is clear to you that we use present continuous tense when we are going to talk about the things that are happening right now in the time in which we are talking. ठीक है, I can't talk to you now, I am driving on a busy road. ठीक है, what he is doing, he is driving on a road, that's why he can't talk to the other person. We can also use the present continuous tense to talk about things that we are not doing right now but we are doing these days. ठीक है, हाँ इसमें एक और चीज़ कि this is not compulsory that I am doing it, for example I am teaching it to you right now. ठीक है, बट आई एम टीचिंग इट फॉर सो मैनी डेज. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अभी जो काम कर रही हूँ मैं सिर्फ उसके बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. नो, आई कैन ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट द थिंग्स विच आई एम डूइंग दीज डेज एज वेल. ठीक है, देन दिस वॉज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस दैट आई एम स्टडिंग फोटोग्राफी दिस ईयर, कि मैं इस पूरे साल क्या पढ़ रही हूँ कि फ़ोटोग्राफी कैसे करनी है. ठीक है, this was the present continuous tense. Now move towards the present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense in Urdu the sentences which are ended with chuka hai, chuke hain, chuki hai, they are the present perfect tense. ठीक है, now let's have a look when we are going to use this sentence or in which kind of situation we are going to use this tense. The present perfect tense talks about the recent or unfinished past. Present meaning we have got a new neighbor, past meaning I have finished reading the book. ठीक है, in present perfect tense we are going to talk about those times or those situations. ठीक है, the things which we have completed right now. For example I have completed lesson number 3 right now. ठीक है, so this is also going to be a present perfect tense that I have taught you lesson number 3 or I have completed lesson number 3. ठीक है, उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं जो कि अभी अभी हमारे रिसेंट पास्ट में ख़त्म हुई हैं, बहुत दूर के पास में नहीं, लाइक अभी अभी ख़त्म हुई हैं. ठीक है, और कौन सी चीज़ें जो कि पास्ट में से चल रही हैं लेकिन अभी तक चल रही हैं, वो ख़त्म नहीं हुई हैं. ठीक है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इन दीज टाइप ऑफ केसेस. ठीक है, ओके, नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट. After subject we have the helping verbs has or have. With singular we have has and with the plurals we have. ठीक है, then the third form of the verb and then object. ठीक है, what is the subject? Subject is the person or the thing which is doing the action, performing the action, and what is the object? Who is receiving the action. Okay students, move to the next page, page number 14. In this page we are going to exercise these three forms of the present tense. ठीक है, exercise A, you are playing with your friends pet rabbit. ठीक है, choose the correct form then practice the dialogue in the class. We are not in the class so we aren't able to practice it in the class but we can do this exercise. ठीक है, A, what is a dialogue? Dialogue is a conversation between 2 or 3 people. ठीक है, 2 या 3 लोगों से ज़्यादा के दरमियान की जो भी बातचीत होती है, मुकालमा होता है, that is called the dialogue. So in this exercise they have what they are saying that you are playing with your friend rabbit. ठीक है, so they have given few of the correct or incorrect sentences to us and we have to choose the correct form of the sentence. A, what A is saying, what's your rabbit called? What are you calling your rabbit? What's your rabbit called? ठीक है, or what are you calling your rabbit? पहले वाले सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब हुआ? दैट आपके खरगोश ने क्या कहा. ठीक है, और दूसरे वाले का क्या मतलब है कि आपके खरगोश का को क्या कहते हैं, इसका नाम क्या है. सो लुक एट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू सेंटेंसेस. अब खरगोश कुछ कह नहीं सकता, इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, इट इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग बट इट इज़ एन एनिमल. ठीक है, सो ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू टॉक टू अस. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू कॉल्ड एनीथिंग. ठीक है, सो द करेक्ट वन इज़ व्हाट आर यू कॉलिंग योर रैबिट, यानी कि आप अपने रैबिट को क्या कहकर पुकारते हैं. ठीक है, व्हाट इट्स नेम इज़. B, his name is Tumble. He doesn't like to be picked up. He isn't liking to be picked up. The answer of the first question is his name is Tumble. So this is the name of Tumble. But the sentences which we have to choose are these one. He doesn't like to be picked up. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि कोई उसको उठाए. He isn't liking to be picked up. या उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कि कोई उसको उठाए. ठीक है, सो ये उसकी हैबिट है कि उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि कोई उसे उठाए. दैट्स वाई वी विल टेक दिस वन. ठीक है, देन ए, ओ ही हॉप्स अवे क्विकली. ओ ही इज़ हॉपिंग अवे क्विकली, यानी कि हॉप्स वो करता ही तेज़ तेज़ है, और जंपिंग जंप पे तेज़ तेज़ लगाता है, या वो अभी ये काम कर रहा है. सो वो अभी ही काम कर रहा है. ओह ही इज़ हॉपिंग अवे क्विकली, सो वी विल टेक दिस वन. Number B, yes, he likes exercise when he is out of his pen. Yes, he is liking exercise when he is out of his pen. ठीक है, come here, Tumble. So in the first sentence they are saying that जब भी वो बाहर होता है तो ही लाइक्स एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, अपने घर से जब भी वो बाहर होता है तो ही लाइक्स एक्सरसाइज. बट द सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज सेइंग दैट उसको क्या है कि उसको एक्सरसाइज करना पसंद होता है, कर रहा है जब वो कर रहा है एक्सरसाइज जब भी वो अपने पेन से बाहर होता है. सो सेकेंड वन इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट वन, सो वी विल टेक द फर्स्ट वन. ठीक है, A, he goes back into his pen. Look, he is going back into his pen. Look, he goes back जो है it is not the correct one. ठीक है, he, because this is the present simple present tense and this one is the present continuous tense. ठीक है, so he or she is talking in a present continuous form, so we will take this one. B, yes, he sleeps on the straw at the back of the pen at night. Then yes, he is sleeping on the straw at the back of the pen at night. This is also the simple present tense and this one is the present continuous tense. So he or she is talking in a simple present tense, so we will take it we will take the first one. Number A, he doesn't sleep now. What does he doing now? He isn't sleeping now. What he is doing now. This one is simple present tense and this one is the present continuous tense. So we will take the first one. ठीक है. B, oh he eats food. Oh he is eating food. ठीक है, he eats food कि वो खाता है लेकिन अभी खा रहा है. So we will take the second one. ठीक है, because he is doing talking in a present continuous tense. He loves carrots. He is loving carrots. So it's feeling कि वो रोज़ ही कैरेट्स, उसको मतलब रैबिट को कैरेट्स पसंद हैं. ठीक है, ये उसकी फीलिंग है, ये उसकी हैबिट है, ये उसकी रूटीन है. So we will take the first one. Then he is so sweet. Can I stroke him? So इसमें कोई भी हमने टिक नहीं करना था. देन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. वेल ही समटाइम्स बाइट्स, बी केयरफुल. वेल ही समटाइम्स बाइटिंग, बी केयरफुल. सेकेंड वन इज इनकरेक्ट, सो वी विल टेक द फर्स्ट वन. ए, आउच. बी, आई टोल्ड यू सो. ठीक है, सो दिस वॉज द एक्सरसाइज ए. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू एक्सरसाइज बी. What they are saying in exercise B, they are saying choose 10 verbs from the box and then use them to write sentences about yourself in the simple present, present continuous and the present perfect tense. They have given you few of the verbs. ठीक है, you have to pick 10 verbs from the box and then you have to change them in a sentence. First one we take belong. I belong to Islamabad. Then I choose love, or you can also choose like. ठीक है, I love or like to play baseball. So don't use love in it because we are going to use it in the next sentence, so you can use like in it. I like to play baseball. Number 3, we have selected love. ठीक है, I love to walk in evening. Number 4, we have selected understand. ठीक है, I am trying to understand this topic. Then hearing, I am hearing recitation. ठीक है. Then number 6, I have tasted your dishes. Don't break my belief on you. I am thinking about tomorrow's work. You need to remember the dialogue. The dish smell is delicious. So these were the verbs, and which we have changed them according to the question. So write it down on your grammar books. Don't forget to write the date on your pages. And this was it for today's class. I hope present tense is clear, present time is clear to you. I will meet you in the next lecture with a new video, with a new lecture. Till that, stay at your homes, stay safe. Allah Hafiz, students.